Hello everyone. Today we are going to review this Sihuadon R-108 radio. It's a DSP radio. So let's unbox it now. It's a tiny radio. You can compare its size with my hand. Let's take it out of the box. So I'm from India, Hyderabad. You can see the details of this radio and where it is imported from. So the country of origin is China, and it is marketed locally from Bangalore. Okay, it's a grey color radio. Let's keep this box aside. Now coming to unboxing the main unit. Okay, there is no tape or anything to it, so we are just trying to open it. Okay, so inside we can see it has a user manual. Which is in English. It's a table of contents, labels and callouts of various parts, buttons. So it is a detailed manual written in English. Okay, let's keep this aside. We get a USB-A to USB Type-C cable in this, which is about 40 centimeters in length. Now let's take out the main unit. It has a protective bubble wrap. And we got a BL5C battery along with it. So before attaching the battery, make sure you remove any plastic cover on this, otherwise you cannot turn on the radio with the battery. Next, open and check the battery compartment if there is any plastic cover. So to remove the battery cover, first lift up the stand, then only pry open the battery cover and check if there are any plastic cover. So there are no plastic covers inside. Okay, let's insert the battery. You can see the 3 metal connectors. So check the metal connectors on battery also and insert it. Okay, Now let's cover the battery with the cover. Here you can see the frequency of the receiver and its reception frequencies. So it's a Sihuadon R-108 Multiband FM AM Shortwave Air DSP receiver. So its frequency receiving sensitivity or the receiving frequencies in FM band is 87.5 to 108 megahertz. So the second one is 64 to 108 megahertz. In medium wave it can receive from 522 to 1620 kilohertz and 520 to 1710 kilohertz. In long wave it's 150 to 450 kilohertz. In air band 118 to 137 megahertz. In short wave 1711 to 29,999 kilohertz. So it's made in China and it had a telescopic collapsible antenna. Next, coming to the side, it has a step tuning functionality knob. It is a tuning knob with two functionalities. One is step tuning and another one is, if you press it, you can change the mode to squelch mode, and there is a potentiometer volume adjusting knob, and there is a USB-C type 5 volts port. Coming to the front, as we inserted the battery, you can see it is showing the time and the battery percentage, which is about 50% out of the box, and it also has ability to show the temperature also, which we will discuss after going through the manual properly, and I will do a proper review next. So these are the buttons here. There's a power button, the lock button, the display lock button, time up and down buttons, alarm button and other buttons. There is a beep, ATS, FMST, etc. So it is a DSP radio and it is a digital radio. It had a 500 memory presets or memory to store the radio stations. You can see the branding Sihuadon, and it has a speaker with a good bass response, but I have to check it myself after turning it on. Coming to the left side, you have antenna port for connecting external antenna, which is provided. So let's check how the reception will be after connecting it in the shortwave radio after I read the manual. And there is a 3.5 mm headphone jack or aux connection, aux port. There is a tag or loop to hold it. If you come to the bottom there are rubber legs and a reset perforation or reset hole where you can press it to reset the radio settings. So let's turn on the radio. I just turned on using the orange button here, and increase the, now we can increase the volume, and also you can see it's backlit also. By pressing this display button, we are toggling the frequency sensitivity of the antenna, signal to noise ratio. Then we have the time. So the default time is 12 now, so it's about 5 minutes now after I turned it on, so it's showing 12:05. So there is alarm time setting, which is at 8:30, and you can see the temperature here. It is 80 degrees Fahrenheit in India now, in Hyderabad. Okay, now let's try to increase the volume now, and try to search some stations here. These up and down buttons. Actually we are in indoors, so there is no FM reception here. Try to receive with the antenna pulled out. You can receive nothing indoors. You can check it outdoors later after I read the entire manual, and I will get back to you. Thank you.